Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about tarot in relation to the law of assumption. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Also, don't miss out on one-on-one coaching with me where I take you step by step to your desired reality. What I can say for a fact is that my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like all the attention on you, if you would like to get your desire as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click on the first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any question that you may have, and you'll be guided through your situation by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below to join. Alternatively, you can join by literally clicking the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, don't worry, I got you. Join by clicking the Patreon link down below. It is the exact same program. Before we get into it, I literally just manifested a house by robotically affirming for a week. I just got back from a 2.5-month Europe trip with my partner, and we were looking for a place. And if you don't know, the Sydney housing market / renting market is absolutely insane right now. 30 people come up to a showing and it's really hard to even secure an inspection. But as we know, circumstances do not matter. So I created one affirmation that absolutely changed my entire life in a week. The affirmation was, "We are living in the most perfect apartment." I was affirming this every single day robotically, and can I just say that I got a house with a huge ass backyard. We literally moved in 2 days ago. I could not be happier. So the affirmation doesn't have to make sense to anyone else but you, and it has to roll off your tongue. My subconscious mind knows that we means my partner and I, and the most perfect doesn't really sound grammatically correct. And I said apartment, but I got a house, I got an upgrade. So again, your subconscious mind is always working with you, not against you. Do not overthink about the affirmations too much, as long as it makes sense to you. So, because we know that the law of assumption is real, is tarot real? And how does it correlate with the law of assumption? The short answer is yes. The long answer is tarot is just as real as this tree behind me. It is just as real as this mic. It's just as real as anything that you see in your 3D reality. So yes and no, tarot is real, but at the same time it's not, because it literally just goes by your energy. So you manifested seeing this tree behind me. You manifested watching this video right now, just as much as you manifested that psychic to tell you whatever it is that your subconscious mind is letting you know. So when I say tarot cards are real, it does not mean that one person says this thing and it is set in stone and that is the truth for you, that is your future. When I say tarot is real, I mean that whatever someone tells you is the projection of your subconscious mind. That tarot reading or that psychic reading is literally just telling you what state you are in. So I use tarot to my advantage. I use it to know what state I'm in regards to finances, in regards to getting a house, in regards to anything that I want, anything that I'm manifesting, and so can you. Remember, we love ourselves. We want to help ourselves as much as possible, assist ourselves, have guides. Yes, you are the operant power, but we are using these guides to let us know what is going on up in here and change accordingly. So the mentality should be, if that psychic is telling you that you will never be with this person again, you say, okay, thank you, and you recognize, you register in your mind that that is the state that you are in right now. That is your dominant state. So what are we going to do? We are going to affirm, or do any techniques that our pretty little mind desires to use. And then after 3 days, you can come back to a psychic reading to the same one, and they will tell you if you are in the state of the wish fulfilled. They will say you are going to be in a happy, healthy relationship with this person. This person is coming. We are using tarot as a tool. We are not using it as a crutch. We are not using it as the end all and be all. If you don't want to use tarot cards, that is totally okay, but don't crap on people who actually do want to use tarot cards, because so many people I've talked to, my clients, my members, have told me that tarot cards are an incredible, amazing tool. Just like with me and my experience. If I hear something I don't like, I don't resonate with it, I don't identify with it, and I pivot to my desired state, and I pivot to my desired state, and I pivot to my desired state. You can do the very same thing with our tarot cards by just looking at what your 3D is showing you. If you are manifesting that SP and there's a radio silence on your phone, that is also a clear indication that you are not in the desired state yet. Or you are just programming your subconscious mind and you are getting there. Regardless, we're going to keep persisting until that comes into our 3D reality. But all that the 3D is, if it's not getting our desire yet, is a tool, just like tarot, just like radio silence on your phone, as where you're at with your manifestation. Tarot is just a quicker way of getting there. I don't want to wait all day to see, hey, maybe this guy is going to text me or not. I just want to see where my subconscious mind is at for all of it. It's just a straight shooter tool to let you know what's going on in your reality right now. But that can change in any single moment. I have been using tarot cards since 2018. That is almost 6 years. And I can tell you that I've done it without the law of assumption and with the law of assumption in mind. Both ways have helped me to get what I wanted, because I used whatever resonated with me in mind as a tool, as a form of advice, and not a way of telling me that I can't get something. For example, there's some advice that tells you you should chill in this point of your life. You are literally where you're at right now and you're getting every single thing that you want right now. There are other times where there is some advice that tells you that you should maybe focus on your love a little bit more as opposed to your career. It is literally just advice leading you to your manifestation. Tarot cards are not necessary, but if there is some sort of help that is available to me, trust and believe that I'm going to use it. Maybe when I'm manifesting and I'm getting that information is helping me get my manifestation. It's literally guiding me towards whatever it is that I want. But the number one source is yourself. If you don't like hearing it, you do not resonate with it, just like you do not resonate with your doubts and negative thoughts. It all stems from your mind. So your dominant thoughts, your dominant affirmations, your dominant techniques, what you're thinking, what you're saying, your energy on a daily basis literally guides you to your manifestation. You do not have to resonate and take help from outside sources, but don't limit people who want the help. As long as we all collectively know for a fact within this community that it is whatever we think it is, we are the operant power. We are in control. We get to make the choice. It's us and only us. No one else. If it is not what we want, if it does not make us happy, it simply is not true. Period. End of discussion. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.